come on in, have a seat. I'm just waiting for everybody to come on in and get comfortable. All right, let's get started. Well, hello there, friends, and welcome to my video. I am Mickey B. Have we met? If not, it's nice to meet you, and if we have, you know it's always good to see you again. I have a collaboration today that I want to share with you, and I am collabing with the Hottoerak LED face mask, also known as red light therapy. Now, I'm really excited to share this one with you because I've been curious about how these work, how they help your skin, or what are they supposed to do for you. So we're going to talk a little bit today about red light therapy. We're going to look at the product that was sent to me, and I don't know, we're going to give it a try, see how easy it is to put together, and just kind of dissect this whole thing and kind of solve the mystery on what this LED face mask can do for you and what red light therapy actually is. So let's jump into this video right now, and I'm going to start by showing you how I received the package, because you know I like to do that, because how you receive something is very important and it totally matters. Here's the box that I received the package in, and I've gone ahead and split it open for the convenience of the video, obviously, but this was sealed and the back was not damaged. It was in great shape all around. So inside the box, I thought somebody had sent me a laptop, and I was like, wow, what is it? Because I opened it up this way first, and it looks just like an Apple laptop or something. And my daughter saw it and she thought I bought her a laptop, and I'm like, no, I thought somebody bought me a laptop. But actually this is how it came. So it's very securely shipped, and it's not going to be damaged in any way, I don't think, because it's sealed nicely. A box inside of a box. But look at this nice packaging, completely sealed all around. And let me go ahead and move this box out of the way and just show you what else is in the box. It's just a little bit of packing paper and then a receipt. It's just a receipt that you normally get, because this is an item that ships from Amazon and is sold on Amazon. So again, it is the Hottoerak LED face mask. So let me go ahead and unbox this very carefully, and let's see what's inside of this. Now, as I unbox this for you, I'm being briefed on some of the benefits of red light therapy, and let me just tell you what some of the benefits are. Some of the benefits are oil control, pore tightening, fine line reduction, anti-aging benefits, and who doesn't want that, right? It says it helps with skin lightening and spot lightening and reduces redness. Now, redness is not one of the items or one of the issues that I've ever had to deal with. Let me sit this down here, because I'm going to open this box up for you and let you see what it looks like once I unbox it. So this is what it looks like without the plastic. So it's a little better on the lighting without the plastic on it. Now let me open it up so that you or we both can see it at the same time. Be very, very careful. Okay, there we go. It's a very nice box, very sturdy. It's a great box to continue to keep this in, to keep it from being damaged. And here is the mask. Wow, look at that. That's a nice little thumbnail right there. Okay, so let's see now. I really like the packaging. Let's just give that another look. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to, oh, it feels like, ooh, it feels, how does it feels foamy, and it's got little lumps in it that are probably light bulbs for the red lights. Let's lift it up, and it has a little weight to it, but it's not heavy. So let me do this. I'm going to sit this down and pull it up carefully, because I don't want to break anything or do anything that might damage it before I get a chance to use it properly. So as I'm lifting it out of the box like this, you see it has some cables. Let's just go ahead and be safe with it. So this lifts out like this, And is it attached to this? No, so it's just sitting on top of this like that. And so it's silicone. It's a silicone, smooth and soft, real smooth. And it looks like that on the inside. And you see the light bulbs all around the outside. Well, it kind of looks like one of those Chinese masks, like when you're celebrating like Chinese New Year or something. That's what it kind of looks like on this side when I see the white side. But when I look at the black side, and this is the front obviously because the lights are on the inside, but this is how you're going to wear it. So let's sit that there and pull out the rest of the items. So attached to the mask is a controller right here, and then this controller has a USB connection on the end. So it is a wired item. It's not something that you can charge. It doesn't appear to be anyways. I'm learning just like you. There's a little brochure that tells about the LED face mask. Gives a little what's included and gives you some instruction on how to use it and how it works. Okay. And then once that's lifted up, then it has a nice bag to put it in once you open it up. In addition to this nice box that you already received, now you get this nice bag to put it in when you're done using it, or if you're going to take it on vacation with you, or just, you know, to carry it somewhere with you. Now inside the bottom of the box, this is what it looks like. Now these, when I read on it prior to making the video, I know that these are to cover your eyes so that the light doesn't get into your eyes. So that's what these are. So there's 4 of these in total. I'm not sure if there's 2 different sizes, or one is black and one is gray. So I'll have to read up on that to find out what the difference between the 2 of those are. And then you have this, and this is how you attach it to your head. Now this looks to be Velcro. So these are going to allow you to attach the mask and wear it. And then look at this, it comes with a charge block right here, and that was sitting right here in the box. Yeah, this light really this white is really making the light shine bright. So hopefully you can see this pretty good. But it's the USB connector, the charge block connector. And then here we have, let's see, what is this? This, I'm not sure yet, but it's got 2 USB ports. Okay, so that's what comes in the box. Now let me figure out how to use it. So, and I don't want to do that on camera. What I want to do right now is I'm going to figure out how to use it, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like on, and then we're going to talk about the benefits of it. So I will be right back. So don't you go nowhere, because this is exciting, and I really want to learn how this works, how it feels, how you put it on. I think this is so cool. And with the benefits of, you know, I need some tightening of my pores, and, you know, some anti-aging benefits. I mean, who couldn't use that? And I have noticed that my pores have gotten larger as I've gotten older. I don't have, like I said, I don't have the issues with red spots, but if I have any dark spots, I have like a few freckles in there that are trying to show themselves. So maybe it could help with that. So that's exciting. So I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and look at the instructions real quick so I can come back and give you some more information about this wonderful item. This segment has been sped up just a hair in order to move through all of the information a little faster than normal, and as a result my voice has a slightly higher pitch than what you're used to. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the box that came with the mask, and I am going to show you how easy it is to put everything together and how to operate this mask. So as you saw, here is the mask. It is a wired piece of equipment that has this cable that has a USB connection. So let's slide that over there, and then it comes with these 3 pieces of Velcro. not Velcro, these 3 pieces that are Velcro together. And these 3 pieces are what's going to allow you to put the mask on. So we have the first piece, and the first piece right here goes at the top of the mask. And it goes at the top where you're going to take this end. Let's move this to the side. You're going to take this end and stick it through. It's very simple, very easy and simple to put together, which is why I want to show you. So you're just going to Velcro that like that on the top of the mask. So that's the first part. And then the other 2 on the sides, let's just go ahead and turn the mask over. And then you're going to take, because they're all going to Velcro together, as you would imagine. So we want this piece to fold over like that, and then this piece is going to fold over. So you want to make sure, this one doesn't really matter, but you want to make sure that this side, the Velcro, is going to be facing up, so when they close together they'll connect. And then this one, this will connect to this one like that, and then this one will connect to this one on the top. So let me go ahead and slide these through like this. And while I'm doing this, you guys, I just want to talk about what red light therapy is. And basically, well, let's first talk about this mask and what the advantages of this mask is. And it says that this mask is made of a medical grade soft silicone, and you can definitely feel that. It's very soft and very smooth. It's going to be comfortable on your face. So that's, for starters, that's a plus. That's a definite plus, because you don't want anything that's going to be uncomfortable. This mask also has a dual chip technology. It has 10, 15, and 20-minute timing modes. So that's nice. You've got 3 different timing controls that you can set. And they said that they usually recommend 15 minutes. If your skin needs a longer treatment, you can choose 20 minutes, but you've got the option between 10, 15, and 20. So you see how all 3 of them come together, and then that forms the part that allows it to stay on your head like that. Okay, so that's how that works. And then let me open these back up. Okay, and then it says there's also an adjustable Velcro on the top of the head to avoid it falling off. So I'm guessing compared to some of the other masks out there, maybe they don't have this option, but this is one of the options, or one of the features that they like to highlight for us. It says it's a small design, and it is equipped with this travel bag and power bank. So that's what the power bank is for right here. I've got this charging right here on the side, but it says it comes with this travel bag and this power bank, so you can take it with you to work or to a party. So even though it is wired like this, this power bank allows you to be portable. So that's neat. And then if you are at home, you can go ahead and use the charge block. So wonderful features right there. Now these other items, I forgot to pull these out for you real quick, but these right here, you get 2 sets of what do they call these? So these are called eye masks, and it says you get 2 sets of the eye masks, and these are, of course, to protect your eyes. So the way those work is, once you get everything else connected, there's a black pair and a gray pair. I'm gonna put the gray pair that matches. So this is how you connect the gray pair, or just the eye mask. It doesn't really matter which one you do. But let's turn it over again to the front, because I want to show you what this looks like. Okay, so you take the mask, and you see how it has the ridge right there. So this is what's going to be in the front, and then this is going to be the part that protects your eyes on the inside. So you're going to take this like that, and you're just going to stick it through until it is flush with the front side. Now I think the easier way to do this is probably turning it over, but as you see, it popped right in there, so it's not too difficult regardless. Just doing this on camera is a little awkward because I've got it upside down for me so that it's right side up for you. But you get the idea. It's not this difficult. Again, it's just because I'm doing this on camera upside down. But as you see, it just pops right in there if you just work with it and you're just patient. And then when you flip it over again, now you see how your eyes are protected. And they're raised, so you can see how they are raised right there. It gives you some good protection for your eyes. Now, I'm curious to see what this looks like. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So this is really a nice feature to have this charge bank that allows you to take it with you. Oh, and there you go. It powers up. So I do have a little charge in here. So let's turn it over and see what it looks like to turn this on. And these cords, you do have to be a little bit organized with the cords so that you can kind of maneuver things a little smoothly. So this says time, it says exit, add, there's a plus sign, on and off button, and a minus sign. So let's do time. Let me see, I guess I got it. Ooh, look at that. Did you see that? Wow, that was pretty bright too. Let me turn it on again. I'm trying to see what the controls do. And hopefully this isn't too bright on your eyes. Okay, and look at all the red lights. So there's even more than I thought there were in here. Now to look at it, I can see it's probably not good to look at it this way. So let me turn it over and see what it looks like on this side. Okay, that's a little better. Now, so we've got it on, and then it says, what does that say? 00L5, level 5 perhaps? So that looks like 20. That's 10 minutes. That's 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see that that's what the timer is set for. Exit L5. That I'm not sure what that is. Okay, add L5 minus. Oh, okay, so if you notice the light is getting, let's show you that. So it's not as bright right now, so it's not as piercing. So those are the different degrees. So if I push this up, you see how they get brighter? I'm not going to go too bright with it facing you, but you see it'll get brighter. See? So that's pretty bright, and then you can bring it down. So that's what the plus and minus does. Now level 1, is that what this is in regards to? Level 2, level 3, there you go. So that's what the add is, the different levels of brightness. The minus, you bring it back down. Okay, and then the on and off button, the time, and then the exit. Not sure what the exit is. Does that just turn everything off? I know this turns it off, but I'll have to figure out what that exit button is. But yeah, so it's pretty simple to operate and understand and figure out. And again, it's got this wonderful charge block, power charger, and then it has this. So this is great. I am really excited to use this. What I'm going to do is, and this has a button over here, and that button actually turns it on as well, just to see how much charge you have right here on the side. And hold that down and it should go off. Nope. What does that do? Let's see. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Well, I know it turned it on, but oh, there's a light in here. Yeah, there's no instructions on any of this, so that's why I am figuring it as I go. It's a light. Look at that. So let's see. Now those lights went out here, and let's see what this does. So okay. So the light goes off. Now I don't know how I got those to turn on. Let's try it again. So it's not when I hold it, it's when I hit it twice. And twice it turns it off, and then this I guess eventually will go off as well, but I'm going to continue to charge it so that I have a full charge. So yeah, that's neat. So it comes with the flashlight. I like this. I really do like this idea, because even if you're not traveling, if you just want to be in your room on your bed reading a book, you have portability, mobility, so that's a good thing. Now in terms of the mask, I am going to use this for a couple of sessions, but I'm going to use it on camera with you to show you how it looks on me. and I'll let you know how it feels, if it feels heavy, if it feels hot or warm, that type of thing. But I just wanted to go over all the specs and how to put it together and all the items that come with it. And this brochure is filled with information, and let me just share some of the information in terms of what is LED light therapy. And it says it's a safe, non-invasive way to treat a variety of skin concerns. During LED therapy, the light waves caused by LED devices act deeply in the skin to trigger natural intracellular reactions. The layers of the skin contain a lot of blood and water that can absorb these light waves. This helps to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. So that's what LED light therapy is. I know you can't read that, but that's what that said. And then red and near infrared light and benefits. So it gives you a lot of information, gives you all the parts. I've showed you how everything is put together, and I will show you it on me. But what other tidbits of information can I give you? It looks like it says here in this part of the brochure that it increases skin elasticity by 21.67%. It increases skin moisture content by 23.66%. It increases the smoothness of your skin by 11.5%. Increases the glossiness of your skin by 12.46%. Nasolabial folds, I guess that's somewhat, like some type of wrinkle. It reduces those by 9.80%. And canthus lines, it reduces those by 18.58%. It says this mask allows every loved beauty to have younger, clearer, and brighter skin. And then it shows you here how to use it. And then these are the advantages that we talked about earlier. There's some frequently asked questions. And I know the one that most people want to know is the question here, is LED light therapy safe to use? And the answer says, yes, LED light therapy is generally safe and suitable for all skin types. We do, however, recommend you start slow with 10 minutes per session to test for individual tolerance. Now, I guess I should have read this one first. Will it harm my eyes? Please do not look directly into the light. Our devices come with eye pads to protect your eyes. Please wear eye pads when wearing eye masks to avoid glare from the light. So yeah, these are some definitely good questions. Can I use the device every day? They recommend to use it for 15 minutes for each treatment with 3 to 5 treatments per week, so not every day. And then it says reduce to 2 to 3 treatments per week once results are visible. If you do overuse the device, you may experience redness or dryness of the skin, so you don't want to overuse it. And it says you can put skin care products on your face before using the LED facial. It stimulates new collagen production deep within the dermal layers of the skin. So you can apply anti-aging serum and a hydrating sheet mask before using the red light therapy setting. Now that's good to know. Do not use heavy or greasy creams or lotions before treatments, as these can cause a barrier between the skin and light penetration. So a light serum, something light, nothing too heavy or greasy, if you do want to use something before. And then I guess this is probably a #1 question. How long until I start to see visible results? Consumer perception studies indicate that 95% of users showed effective improvement in skin tone and fine lines after 3 to 4 weeks. That's important to know. So it's not instant. You're not going to see instant results. But yeah, and then it has contradictions and safety warnings. And so you do get quite a bit of information in the brochure that is included with this. And I look forward to playing around with this. But for the video purposes, I'm going to go ahead and put this on and let you know how it worked for me. So let's go check it out. Alright, I can't wait. I want to try this on right now and see what it feels like. So let's see, I've got it plugged in to the power bank right here. And just FYI, this has to be unplugged before it will give power to the mask. So let's see. I'm just curious how easy it is to put on. Number one. Okay, that's the Velcro side. We're gonna do this one. Let's do this. Okay, this feels a little weird. It does have a little weight. It's light, it's not super heavy, but it does have, you could feel something is definitely on your face. Now my eyes definitely feel protected. And you know, I'm really funny with my eyes. I don't really like a lot of stuff around my eyes, so I want to make sure that they're inside the protected area and that they feel comfortable. So as you can see, the eye masks are all around my eyes. You see that? So I just want to make sure that that is the case. And then here is the control. Let's see, power on. And I want to see right away if I feel any warmth. Now this is on level 5, so let me knock this down. Okay, there's level 1 right here. Okay, I did feel a little warmth with level 5 when I had it on level 5. This one I don't feel anything. And as far as the time, so it's 10 minutes, 15, 20. So 10 minutes is the lowest setting. And let me just kick it up to level 2 and see if I can feel. Now my eyes see the brightness here and here, but it doesn't see it around my eyes. Like my eyes see no light at all, so they are definitely protected. Now that's level 2, so let's go to level 3. Oh, I thought I had this in, so we're going to go to level 3. And I can see the brightness. I don't feel any heat or anything just yet, or any type of warmth, but I imagine maybe that might come. I do have my fan on to the left of me as well. And I can see, like, you can see, like, my lips. You can't even see that bump that much. That would be great if it got rid of that thing. But you can't even see this bump that much on my lip because of how bright it is. So that's level 4 right now. And again, my eyes don't see any of this light. You can look at my eyes and see that there's no light bleeding through or anything. And then level 5, the brightest and highest level. And I feel the brightness, but I see it here, but I feel it around my eyes, but I don't see it. Making sure there's no light bleeding through. So my eyes are definitely protected by the eye mask. So I'm just going to sit here for a minute. Now it says start off with 10-minute sessions, but it doesn't really speak to, and I'm talking about this brochure, it doesn't speak to the levels to start off with. It just says therapy for 10 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm looking forward to really giving this a try. I just, you know, just a word to the wise, I'm going to lower this from level 5 to level, what is that, level 3, level 2. I think it's a good start, even level 1. because I don't have any major issues with my skin, so I don't want to go overboard and cause any problems. I want to be safe, so I've got it on 10 minutes at level 1. And at this level, I don't see any difference. I don't see any bright lights. I just see the red here. But you see how you can see this little, I had stitches, and I had 2 stitches right here, and that's what caused this bump over time. When I first got these stitches, you couldn't see anything. It was just normal. But over time, I guess with gravity, it has allowed this bump to occur. But if you notice, when I had this on L5, you could hardly see that. So that's how bright it got. Let me just show you real quick, and then I'm going to take it back down. So I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how it almost, you can see it, but you can't really see it because it's so bright. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how much brighter this actually gets. But yes, I would just take this charge bank like this, and it's so bright in this light, but you can hopefully see the 2 dots or the 3 dots of power. So I would just take this and go somewhere and read a book, lay on my bed, watch TV. My eyes are getting used to the mask being inside of the mask. When I first put it on, they felt a little weird, but now they feel normal. And I think I would definitely use this with some type of serum before I put it on, just to feel like I'm protecting my skin a little bit before I put the lights on top of it. So I think I will definitely do that, because I have plenty that I could use to put on before putting the mask on. And then just using it in intervals of 10 minutes to start. I think that that's sufficient. But I really wish I could understand what this exit button is for on here. And you know, this is also an Amazon item, so you could probably go online, let's see, and maybe get a little bit more information about the product. So that wouldn't surprise me either, that maybe that's where all the instructions are that I didn't see in the box, which I'm surprised. They give you a lot of information in the box, but they don't show you, how to put it together. But if you go to the link that I provide to you, it has a load of information on this link. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I have 2 minutes left to go. I'm going to go ahead and take this off now. I'm going to turn it off right here. Okay, so I've got little indentations on my face here, so you can adjust that, how tight or loose you put it, put it on your skin. But it wasn't tight, but it was snug. It wasn't uncomfortable, but I didn't want it to fall off. So let me allow my face. You can see the little lines from the mask, but that just lets you see how much my eyes were protected. And that was one of the reasons why I had it on so snug because I wanted to make sure that my eyes were not getting any of that light, absorbing any of that light and causing any potential problems. Here are the things that are important to know about this mask. And well, first they recommend that you clean your face first. So that was another reason why I wanted to go ahead and take it off, because I'm not doing it properly in this demonstration, but I did want to get a feel for what it felt like on my face, how to put it on, how it felt on, what the lights felt like, if my eyes were protected, etc. So I figured I could go ahead and share that with you. The mask itself has a little weight to it. It's not too heavy, but you do have to get used to your eyes being in the eye mask. You want to make sure that they are, so that they are protected. There was one point where I had the eye mask on and the corner of my eye was bothering me, and it's because a little part of the mask was bent like that and my eye wasn't completely inside. So when I reached inside and pushed it over, then it was comfortable. So that was a discomfort to me because my eye wasn't fully in the mask. So when you do put the mask on, make sure your eyes are completely inside and that you feel it like that, that all the areas around the mask are around your eye and it's inside and it's soft and smooth fully inside, and make sure nothing's bent in like that. But clean your face first, put your mask on and make it comfortable but not too tight, and start, to me, as they recommend, start on a small timer setting. I would start with 10 minutes on level 1, and I would do that probably for the first couple of weeks just to get used to it and not to overdo it. And one of the biggest cautions that I read about this mask is do not use it near dripping water, in water. Do not let this get wet at all. It is an electrical product. It will not only probably be dangerous in that regard, but it will also be ruined. So once you use it though, you can take a damp wipe and just clean off the sweat, and like I think I can see a little blush on here maybe, or it could be a light, but if you get anything on here you can wipe it clean. So that's what's great about it, but nothing dripping, nothing too wet. That's very important, and that can be very dangerous. Here is information that I deem to be very important, so I want to read this to you straight from the brochure because it's important in its regards to being safe with this product, and in regards to who should be using this safely and who should not be using it at all. So it says, stop using this facial mask if you encounter any prolonged skin redness or discomfort that lasts for more than 2 hours. Number 2, if a problem occurs for more than 2 hours, you might be light sensitive or have another condition. We recommend you consult with a medical professional for advice. Number 3, please do not use this product if you have lupus. Now I'm not going to say this word right, but let me try. If you have lupus erythematosus, photosensitive eczema, or leukemia. Otherwise, it may cause severe skin reactions. Number 4, please do not use this product if you are sensitive or dizzy to light. Otherwise, it may cause severe skin reactions. Number 5, it is recommended not to use this product if you have a migraine. And lastly, number 6, please do not use this product if you have a history of seizures caused by light. So I figured that is very important to know up front. If this was something you were considering, you should be aware of those warnings. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration today and the introduction of this product, at least to me, perhaps to you as well. I've heard of red light therapy. I was always curious as to what the benefits would be and if it was something that would interest me. So I appreciate Hottoerak for contacting me to do this collaboration with them and to present it to you guys, as well as for me to learn about it and to use it and give it a try. And I look forward to giving this a try over the coming weeks to see if maybe I might see a reduction, because you know I do have oily skin. I've said that before. I've even demonstrated that little oil thing that I purchased and showed how it rubbed the oil off of my face. So, and I have noticed over the years, I feel like anyways, that my pores are larger than they were when I was younger. So if I can reduce that and get those small again, I can see how that can contribute to smoother, you know, brighter, more youthful looking skin. So having said all that, if this is something that you're interested in trying, I will include the purchase link to this item that will allow you to save 20% if this is something that you are interested in purchasing. And when the link will take you straight to the product, it'll take you straight to the code that is used in order to get the 20% off. Did you enjoy this video? I hope you learned something new like I did. I love learning new stuff when I'm introducing new products, as well as trying them for the first time for myself. Hopefully this was interesting and you guys learned something about red light therapy like I did. I love introducing new products and learning at the same time. So like I said, I look forward to trying this over the coming weeks, slowly, gradually, and hoping to find a difference and an improvement in my skin. If you like this type of content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it lets me know that this is content that you enjoy seeing. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and that will ensure that you are always kept abreast of all of my videos and all these wonderful products that I'm sharing with you and will continue to share with you. And again, thank you to Hottoerak for contacting me and giving me the opportunity to share this wonderful product with each of you guys. So on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. It's always appreciated. Thumbs up the video. Bye-bye.